So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and restore a Snapchat streak that you just had with somebody. Now, there's a couple of different ways to do this for the most part. Number one, the main way to kind of think about this is that if your streak has gone away, you're still going to be able to still restore it, but there's a couple of things to keep in mind. You do have a free restore if you have a Snapchat Plus, subscription. So if you Snapchat somebody, let's say I just Snapchatted this person right here, right? And I go into my chat account right like this, I might be able to go ahead and see a little restore button that shows up inside of Snapchat. So all I have to do is go right inside of my Snapchat chat like this, and I can go and tap on it, and I should be able to see a little restore button that comes up right here. So that is an option that I have. You can go through, click on it, click on the restore button right there, and that should go through and allow you to restore from that particular chat, which is actually really cool. Super basic, and that is a really easy way to do it. Now, if you don't want to do it that way, the only other way to do it is by going through and contacting Snapchat from your Snapchat support website. So if you go to the Snapchat website, which is basically accounts.snapchat.com, you'll basically be able to come to this website. And after logging in, there should be a little option or a little panel that will actually allow you to go through, and it will start allowing you to basically change out your particular, account, and it will allow you to go through and restore your Snapchat that way. So it's going to be a little contact us button, and you can try going through and restoring your Snapchat streak that way. So you have a couple of different ways to do it, but that's kind of the main way to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.